Communication is everywhere. Does your wife always misunderstand you? Your boss finds your ideas unattractive? Or your friends find food more interesting than you? I have all these problems until 2 years ago when I found this training course by a non-profit organization. Let me show you what Speechcraft taught me.
In the first session, you will learn the techniques of successful communicators. Look incredible, sound credible.
And I'll teach you how to go deep into people's subconscious and find out what they really need to hear from you.
And I'll be sharing how to think fast and sound smart every time you speak.
And I'll be sharing with you on how you can master the art of body language. But why don't you hear it from others as well who have benefited from this program? I'm able to lead, to inspire, and make a difference in someone's life thanks to this workshop.
I learned how to inspire, entertain, and persuade. Now I can express my idea effectively.
Speaking can be learned, self-confidence grown, and meaningful life earned. I realized this right here.
We attended,
We benefited.
And now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? The course fee is only a fraction of what we have paid. We are already heavily subsidizing the cost. So click here to join now and share it with your friends.